When in SharePoint or OneDrive for Business, you can create new files right from within your web browser by utilizing Office Online. If I click on New, I have a choice of files to create. For this example, I'm going to select a Word file. And the first thing that I'm going to do is name my file, and I can do so by coming up to the top of the screen, clicking where it says Document, and typing the file name. Once I click anywhere else on the screen, you'll see my file has now been named, and the word Saved appears next to it. As I start typing, you might notice that the top of the screen will periodically say Saving, and then again switch back to the word Saved. This is an excellent feature in Office Online. When editing your files, you do not have to manually save any of your changes. In fact, you won't even see a Save button. Office 365 will automatically save all of your changes. Now, at some point, we might change our mind about the name of our files and wish to rename them. Naming our files in specific ways is important, as it allows us to know what the document is about and also allows us to easily search for it since we know the keywords. To rename a file, navigate to the file stored in OneDrive for Business or SharePoint. Here in SharePoint, you can click on the file, and then the toolbar will offer some more options. If we click on the ellipses, you'll see that one of these is Rename. Do note that you can also right-click on the file and find the option to rename as well. Let's click on it, and once we do, we can simply type the new name in here. And click Save. And this process can be done in the same exact manner with your OneDrive for Business files. Now, deleting a file in OneDrive for Business or SharePoint is also simple to do. Let's use OneDrive for Business this time as an example. Simply navigate to the file, click on it, and either select Delete from the toolbar, or again, right-click on the file and choose to delete from there. Once you delete the file, it will be taken to the recycle bin. Once documents are in the recycle bin, you can navigate there to view the items within it. Another great feature here within Office 365 and the recycle bin is that OneDrive for Business wants to really make sure that you want to delete a file by offering you some options. When you click on a deleted file here in the recycle bin, you'll be prompted to either delete the file or restore it. Restoring the file will place it back in its original location, while deleting it will remove the file from the recycle bin. However, let's say I click once again to delete this file, and then change my mind. If I navigate down here to the second stage recycle bin, I'll find that file here. And here is where there is no turning back. You can either once again click the file and choose to restore it to its original location, or you can finally remove all traces of it by clicking Delete one last time.